Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this beautiful, pretty, yet so easy to make flower. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. I use crepe fabric for this flower. This fabric has a unique texture as you can see. And this is the scallop shape that I use for this flower. This is the size of my scallop. You can use any size for this scallop according to your desired shape. I use soldering iron to cut the fabric into this scallop shape. Heat up the soldering iron and start cutting with our template like this. If you haven't watched my tutorial about cutting fabric using a soldering iron, please see the description below. I searched all my templates from Google. You can search this template with the keyword scallop template. For the length, I used the width of fabric, which is 60 inches. You can see the scallop shape is very nice. Do this until the end of fabric. Prepare needle and thread to gather the fabric. But to make it quick and fast, I will use sewing machine. Now gather the fabric. Sew the fabric like this to turn it into a flower. This is our flower, and I would like to embellish this with beads and rhinestones. Prepare another needle and thread. And I use a small piece of lace like this. I'm going to sew the beads and rhinestones. Our beautiful flower is finished. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.